Good YouTube. Got another small job. Somebody threw a lot of bundle. This Challenger. Like, I don't know what they was thinking though. But the owner told me it was a Mexican that tried to fix it in a Walmart parking lot. I don't know why the hell would he trust somebody to fix a car in a Walmart parking lot. Just don't make sense to me, but this is what they did though. Yeah, look all they got this bundle. It's like a gallon of bundle. But we got a new bumper, new fender, new headlights, all that. So let me get the tan this down. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we got progress. But if you don't know, this bumper is a whole lot to take this bump off. There's a lot of pieces. Okay, YouTube, this is what we got. Got a bumper and a fender that was full of bondo and some, I don't know what this is, but this some tape or I don't know, some house work. It was had to screws. But back to this. Y'all see, I got the fender and the bump off, but we definitely gonna need some more parts though. We need this part because it's disconnected to the whole thing. We need another wheel well flap and another one of these at the bottom because they destroyed that. So I'm gonna let the owner know he need a couple more parts, but he definitely need this part though, because this is what a light connects to. Like if I don't get that part, I can't put the light on the right way. And I don't want no half-ass job, so we gonna do it the right way. I gave him a nice price, but he definitely got to buy these parts so I can go in and knock this out. But I'm gonna give him a call and we gonna see how far we gonna get on it. And I'm gonna do this though too. I don't know. This is just bundle on here. It's a dent right here, so I'm gonna take care of all that for him though. This was definitely the worst hack job I ever seen. Stay tuned with the Dodge Challenger. Y'all can see I broke it all the way down. And we found out that we needed a radiator support because it's all broke up. We got that right there. Also got the front clip part of it because the other side was missing the driver's side. We got that. Now I'm discovering that we need a bumper support. And this is how the radiator support broke because the bumper support crushed it. So I'm gonna hit the owner up now. You know that. Y'all see that side over there good, but when you get around here, it's all bad. But got the front part, we got the radiator support, we got the bumper, got the fender. Now all we need is this, but I'm finna tear all this down to get this bad boy on here. So I'm gonna take this off anyway. And I know I gotta pull this part right here. It gotta get pulled back. This one over here straight. That one all bent back, so probably gotta pull it. If I can't pull it, we're gonna have to cut it off and put another one on there. But I'm gonna see when I take it off. So y'all stay tuned. So far so good though. We got everything going. He said he hit a tree, so must hit that tree pretty hard. That bumper thing. Dent it like a mom. But y'all know your boy finna get him good. Stay tuned. Get the tan in front of it down so I can get that radiator to put on there. Here's YouTube, back with the Challenger. See, I took the front part off. I'm finna take this bumper support off. But out with the old, in with the new. Y'all see that's broke up. This one is new. Just gonna switch all these little pieces, like these little clumps and stuff. When I switch all this on to that one, then I'm gonna take that off. Y'all can really see it. Not that bad boy is all the way back there, but he got all new parts. So let me get back to this. I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I got it back together. So y'all stay tuned. Hey YouTube, we almost there. Almost, but almost ain't good enough. I'm trying to get this boy done. This job's supposed to be in the in and out. We thought it was just the bumper and the fender, but it turns out to be the whole front end. See how we coming with it. Almost done. Gotta throw on the bumper. It's like 4 different pieces to this car. You got this piece down here. You got the bumper. You got that black piece right there, and you got that piece. Too many pieces to this goddamn car. Y'all see it? I'm gonna get this on here, get it masked up so I can paint it and send it off to the owner. Stay tuned. Okay, we back, y'all. We got this bad boy masked up. About to throw this adhesive spray on this bumper. Then I'm gonna prime the whole joint up. But so far, so good. Only thing that's wrong, I got this screw earlier today so I can, make that straight. But other than that, we all good. I'm gonna shoot this bad boy tonight. Okay, YouTube, here we go. Got them all done. I'm glassed up. See that bad boy whack. It sit for a couple days. Y'all know what time it is. I'm on glass though. That new clip coat, and it's looking real good. This job is supposed to be in a bump in the fender job, but it turned out being a whole front end job. But we got them right though. We got them right.